Dear viewers, my topic is practical approach to Tally and how to work in Tally package or Tally software. The first step is gateway over Tally, then create company. After that, you enter the name and address of the company or organization. Then enter the financial year beginning from. Then I elaborate step by step how to work in Tally software. First step is creation of ledger. Before any voucher entry, you should create a ledger. How to create ledger? Then go to account info, then ledger, then create, then you enter the name of the ledger under different groups such as current liability, current assets, indirect expenses, direct expenses, etc. First, you enter the opening balances in ledger before starting the beginning of the Tally. How to enter opening balance? If the ledger already exists, then you go to the alter option, ledger, then alter, alteration, then find out the ledger and step by step enter, and a point is there where you enter the opening balance amount, and this is debit or credit. All liability head of balance sheet are credit and all asset head of the balance sheet are debit. Then opening balance, one by one you should enter the opening balance of all asset and liabilities. Then you come to the payment. After entering a payment voucher, you should enter the name of the party first. Name of the payment head में name of the party is important. Name of the party under current liability. And there are heads where the direct expense head are mentioned, like telephone charges, electricity charges, house rent, etc. These heads should be under indirect expenses. Then you make payment entry. Every payment, before entering a payment, you should change the date by entering F2. Then payment, either payment is in bank or cash. Then entry is in payment, name of the party debit, credit, cash or bank. And the name of the party is under Sunday creditor. This ledger should be created under Sunday creditor, name of the party. Then this is payment. For receipt, all receipt in the name of the party. Debit, cash or bank, credit, name of the party, or income head. If there is income head directly, then you should create ledger accordingly. Here the name of the party should be created under Sunday data. Incomes are two types. One is direct income, other is indirect income. In a concern where there is manufacturing, then there comes direct income and direct expenses. In other trading concern where there is no manufacturing activity, then you should enter indirect expenses or indirect income. Generally, sales are direct income and rent income, interest income, these should be come under indirect income. After receipt and payment, another entry is contra entry. All the cash withdrawal or deposit, then bank account transfer from one bank to another. Friend, here you should remember, cash in ledger creation, cash is in default. In bank account open creation, enter the name of the bank under bank account. For cash deposit in bank, debit the bank, credit cash. For cash withdrawal from bank, debit the cash, credit bank. Bank transfer, debit the receiving bank and credit the paying bank. Then another step is journal voucher entry. Friends, you remember, first you enter the receipt and payment in the name of the party. Here comes actual the head of expenditure and head of income. This should be done through journal entry. First, come to expenses. Debit all expenses head, credit the name under sundry creditor. Where you first step you create you remember you created the name of the party under sundry creditor for payment. Here you come, debit all expenses and credit the name created under sundry creditor. Then come to income. Credit all income head, debit the name under sundry debtor. You enter in the receipt voucher entry. You create the you created the party name under sundry debtor. Here you credit all income head and debit the party name under sundry debtor. These are all about receipt, payment and journal voucher and contra vouchers. Thank you.